How to reset encrypted password WhatsApp? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to recover WhatsApp encrypted password. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a web browser on your device. For a demo, let's say Google Chrome. Now search WhatsApp support with the help of the web address bar. Tap on the search bar on your keyboard. Then you will land on this result section. Tap on the first link that says Contact WhatsApp, which is the official WhatsApp support website. Now tap on Contact Us on the first option of WhatsApp Messenger support. Once you land on this Contact WhatsApp section, scroll down. Enter all the credentials such as your phone number associated with your WhatsApp account, email address, confirm the email address, and enter your device, that is how you use WhatsApp, and enter the message below and tap on next step. After explaining the issue that you have forgot your end-to-end encrypted password and please help me to reset my password, you simply need to submit it to WhatsApp, and within certain time the WhatsApp will find you ultimate solution to reset your encrypted passwords on WhatsApp. So that's it for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.